what is up and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and if I'm being honest, I didn't record a video today, so I wanted to quickly show you all. I figured we could do like a tour of my office. It's not truly done, it's not fixed up. It's like, this is literally the way it is day to day. So this is gonna be very, very transparent and real. So let me flip over the camera for you. Okay, so this is, as soon as you walk into my office, we have a bed for Caesar with his little pillow. On this wall, you'll see all of these patches that I made. It's because I had nailed some stuff on the walls and I patched them up, but I haven't painted them. I have paint that matches the walls, but I haven't painted them. So you'll see all that throughout my office and like certain random areas. But on this wall, I also have like random little like pictures and frames, like just things that I really like. So for example, here I have well, I shouldn't say for example, but here I have a picture of Matt and I when we went to Disney. This little picture frame we got at Five Below. This one, I printed it out. It's a print that I got from Etsy of the Fourth Wing series. I really like it. It's really cute, so I printed that out. And then I have a Coffee Monster Co. little bean card. This is a little Taylor Swift poster that I got from when they were showing the movie at the movie theater. And that is another picture of Matt and I at Disney. Now over here, you'll see this is my reading chair. It's a pretty large chair. It takes up like a huge chunk of my office, but I love it. Super spacious and comfortable. And I got this at Living Spaces. And then I have this blanket that one of my close friends gave me. I'm pretty sure it's from Bobble Bar. And I have a ton of plushies here. So you can see all of the plushies that live there. This one is actually usually sitting there, but Matt likes to sit here and he puts it over there. So yeah, ton of plushies. And then here I just have stuff. This needs to go on the wall. This is for my camera. Then we have Taylor Swift Auto. And then as you get over here, obviously like wires are a mess, but let's ignore that. Over here is my desk space. So I have my headphones hanging off of there. This is what I use to record, y'all. So this right here is like the light that I put over, and it's like an overhead light. And then this is where I put my phone to record like my plan with me's. And it's pretty awesome. I got these on Amazon and they've lasted me years, but it's pretty awesome because you just put them off to the side. And although you can see them, they're not as like annoying as having like a big tripod. But you've seen my washi that stays there, lives there with like my pens, markers, and random shenanigans. Now, usually I have my planner here, but it's over there. I'll show you in a bit. But those are like my stickers and like papers that I like using. And then over here is like my work computers. So this is my big monitor, my laptop, obviously. And then I have like random knickknacks there, as you can tell. And then I also have my Bible, my planner, my keyboard. I love this keyboard. And then I have it on this little keyboard mat, this desk mat of Labubu's. And then this right here is my coaster. I put my water bottle on there. Love it. And then, as you can tell, I have like a ton of Sony Angels in random places. I have a little Miffy sticker. This lights up, but I never turn it on because when I work here, it's like during the day. So it like, I don't want to waste the battery, but it's a Hello Kitty that I got from Five Below actually. And as you can tell, I still need to patch that up or paint it. This right here is my TV. I have these little Kuromis up here, and then I have Sony Angels there. And I actually lined it with washi because it was just normal black and I just thought it looked cute. So I did all that. And then right here is just like my computer, my camera equipment, trash can. Let's ignore the trash can. And then under there is my printer on top of a really cute little table that's the shape of a flower. And y'all, I gotta tell you all, I just got this chair. It's like one of the really, really big chairs and truly the best thing. I love it so much. And then I put my Taylor Swift blanket on there because I don't want to like get it dirty or whatever. So yeah, pretty awesome. Although I think I already got it dirty. Oh no. Anyways, let's move on. So then these are, you can say, the star of the show because you like see them as soon as you walk in. These are my shelves. I want to get a third one, but they're like $80 and it's not like a necessity right now. So yeah, but I have like random knickknacks that I love getting. So I have like my Astros little bobblehead, Hello Kitty bobblehead, Sony Angels, pens, markers, flowers, Real Akuma, like everything is there. That's actually my Bratz doll from when I was a kid. Like my mom bought that for me like when I was a little girl. And then obviously I have a ton of books. I have pups throughout the entire shelves, more Sony Angels. That's my grandpa's Bible that I got when he passed away. Love it. And then I have my Bible there. I also have another one on my desk, but that's my other Bible. That's the Bible that I use for study. This is a planner that I'm thinking about incorporating. Miffy, disco ball, all the things. More books. Devil Wears Prada. She stays in the box because I actually love her. And then down here is literally, you can say like a Winnie the Pooh shrine. Literally, like everything in there is Winnie the Pooh related. And then let's make our way over here. This you can say is like a Hello Kitty shrine. Anything Hello Kitty goes up here. And then even this in that cup, that's actually a cup that I got. I put stuff like random trinkets that I don't have a home for. I just throw them in there. And then this is, can you see Matthew? He's in there. We got this for free at one of the games. He took a picture and they put it in there for him and he gave it to me. I thought it was the sweetest thing. And then here is like more random knickknacks, an Amy Yaw mug, a Squishmallow, my bracelets from the Eras tour, more Sony Angels, Smeeskies, little calico critters, all the random things, more books. Matthew actually made this. We went to paint pottery and he painted this for me and I put it here because I thought it was so cute. And then I have my jelly cat there. I have Orbit from the Astros. That's a little lamp. I actually got this at from a small business and it's a little candle. It's so cute. My books, more books, and my planner covers and headbands and my little Nuemo. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. And then over here that's my vision board that I made. Actually, not this year, but last year. I did make another one, the digital one, and I thought about making a physical one, but I feel like all of this still applies. So I'm just going to keep that as is. And then I have a mirror that I got from IKEA. I've been wanting to buy a bigger mirror that has like black trim, but for now, this will do. And I have this rug that I've had since we lived at our apartment, but honestly, this is just a placeholder. I want to get a black and white checkered one, but this will do for now. But yeah, that's basically everything, honestly. That was actually a lot quicker than I expected. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Thank you for joining in on all the random videos. I appreciate y'all putting up with me and also understanding when I don't have like really good videos. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and comment a pink heart because I'm wearing heart pajamas. So I love you guys. I'm gonna go downstairs, rest, hang out, watch some TV, eat some food, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow.